So, another controversy. See, there was a time when Shah Rukh Khan ruled the screen and Abhijit Bhattacharya, a very popular playback singer, ruled the mic. Together, they created some of Bollywood's most unforgettable moments. Songs like Chand Tare from Yes Boss, Wo Ladki Jo Sabse Alag Hai from Badshah weren't just tracks, they were emotions. Abhijit's voice became almost inseparable from SRK's romantic image. So now the rift began. According to Abhijit, the break wasn't about money or opportunities, it was about self respect. He has shared in multiple interviews that he never received proper acknowledgement from Shah Rukh Khan or his team for his work. What hurt him the most? An award function where Shah Rukh Khan apparently thanked everyone, from the spot boy to the technicians, but left out the playback singer who made his songs iconic. So in his words, जब self respect चोट खा जाए तो दिल से निकलता है अब बस. That moment, as Abhijit described it, was the final nail in the coffin. He decided never to sing for SRK again, not out of anger but out of pain and dignity. The collaboration stopped, and so did the magic of that voice pairing with King Khan. Now, years later, the story resurfaces. In a recent interview, Abhijit reignited the conversation with a statement that went viral. Shah Rukh Khan ही सब कुछ है तो भाई मैं क्या? This sarcastic yet stinging remark reflects a deeper frustration. Abhijit went on to say that if everything is credited to Shah Rukh Khan, even the songs he only acted in, then maybe singers were never truly needed. He added they label it as Shah Rukh Khan's song, not Abhijit's voice. So maybe SRK should just sing his own songs too. It's clear this isn't just a passing moment. It's a lingering wound that still hasn't healed. So this brings us to a larger issue. In the world of Bollywood glam, do playback singers get their due credit? We cheer for the actors who lip sync, but often forget the artist whose voice gave those emotions life. Abhijit's experience is not isolated. Many singers in the past, like Alisha Chinoy, Sonu Nigam, even Arijit Singh at times have spoken about lack of recognition or respect. These voices shape the Bollywood we love but are often forgotten behind the curtain of stardom. As of Shah Rukh Khan, he has never publicly responded to Abhijit's comments, neither in the past nor now. His silence could be interpreted in many ways, as indifference or as the graceful avoidance of conflict. But for fans, this silence has always left room for speculation and a lingering question: could things have been different if a little more credit have been shared? No matter what the differences are today, one can't deny the legacy that Shah Rukh Khan and Abhijit created together. The songs still play at weddings, on radios, and in our playlist, proving that even broken bounds can leave behind something timeless. Because at the end of the day, art outlives everything, even ego, silence, and heartbreaks. So, now what do you guys think about it? Share your views and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Free Press Journal.